Hey guys, what is up? So I am, obviously I'm on here. You see George right here in the background. So I'm excited. I was able to save just a little bit of money to be able to order me the boxycharm boxes. So I got the base box and I got the premium box. Most people have not been so happy with the boxycharms, and I understand there's been some bad products. Oh, by the way, I'm coming on here, I'm showing you guys my face. It is getting better. I just didn't want to put on makeup right away in the morning. It's like 7:47 Saturday morning, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna do much more not that much makeup at this moment, because just trying to clean up the face. But okay, so all in all, I got I ordered the base box and the premium box for January. Oh, I am so sorry. And I ordered past boxes after I had canceled in May of 2021. So I ordered 2 boxes. I opened them, like I opened them. And I also ordered the Saturday Skin Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. I like eye creams a lot. So I do go through them potentially pretty fast. Sorry, my ear is like really itchy. But so I got this because I wanted to also try this as well. I picked out the Ace Beauté highlighting palette, and then I got 2 past boxes from boxycharm. So I'm excited to try it. So you're gonna see my skin, you're gonna see him, and you're gonna hear him talking and just be like all goofy. Alright, so let's get started. I'm gonna open up this box right here because it's just right there. So here it is, and oh my gosh, there's like so much stuff coming out of it. So whatever I don't plan on using, I will, not this month because it's already at the end of the month. Starting next month, every last Sunday, I will post like a quick video of what products that I plan on doing as a giveaway. So this could be from boxycharm boxes, Ipsy, or like other mystery boxes, other products that I'm like, I'm not going to use this, so I'm going to just give it away. So every last Sunday of the month, that is my plan to do. This could be from samples. It could be from boxycharm. Hey, that's not nice. He just threw food on the floor. Yeah, so that is my plan. If you guys are wanting to, okay, you're not getting any more food. If you are wanting to be entered in the giveaway, make sure that you do like, comment, and subscribe on my channel, on the video, on the products, all that stuff. If you guys have questions, please, by all means, ask me those questions. So I'm going to get started with this box. So here is the card. I don't remember which box this was. It is a base box. You guys can tell. I think at the end of the video, I will show you guys all like what boxes they were. So here is the card. You don't need to eat the coat. And I will tell you guys as I go. Dude. So this is the Hava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. Ooh, that sounds nice. Oh man, my mom would have loved this. So the Hiva Mineral Hand Cream Sea Kiss. Hey. I'm so sorry, you guys. So this values for $36. I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to like edit. Alright, the next thing is the Ilia Color Block High Impact Lipstick. This values for $36. I got the color Amber Light. I know most people are like kind of upset with boxycharm, but I've always loved it, even when they had bad products. So here it is. This is called Amber Light. Ooh, that's pretty. The Hava hand cream. I do have a lot of lotion, so I'm not entirely sure if I am going to keep this. So the giveaways at the end of the month every Sunday will be like skincare, makeup, accessories, all kinds of stuff. Alright, so this is the lip oil. Int Cosmetics lip oil. This values for $11. Okay. This is the perfect product for those who want hydration and moisture, but only a flush of color. This lip oil can easily be applied on the go or on top of lipstick for an added sheen. Oh my gosh, I don't think I'm gonna... last the entire video. Do you want pancakes? Yeah, you do. Alright, this is the Touch and Soul Glass Pretty Filter. This is the glass skin balm. I think I already have this, so if I do, I'm gonna put this in the giveaway, but this is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys already know. This is value of $32. My next boxes, of course, I'm gonna have makeup on. It's early in the morning. I'm not going to. Okay, so I know that I have this. This is the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed palette or eyeshadow palette. I have this. It's okay. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but it is $38. Dude. It is $38. So all in all, this box was pretty good. I'm actually really excited about getting boxycharm back. I've always liked it, and I was really hesitant of canceling the box, honestly, just because I knew that I had the baby blues after I had George, and I was dragging my feet. I did not want to cancel whatsoever, and I just really was dragging my feet. Alright, so here is the next box right here. I'm excited. Paper. Here is the card. I don't know. Dare to Dazzle. Not entirely sure which box it was, or which month it was, but here, I mean, if you guys already know, just put it down in the comments and tell me. I'm totally okay with that. The first thing, I got some lashes. Ooh. I got the Monarch Lash Pack. That on the top lash, it includes Baby Girl, which is angled lash for an iconic cat eye effect. Oh, that's awesome. And then the bottom is it's called Charmer. It's round lash for an instant doll eye effect. And then it has like some little tweezers. That's cool. Does it come with glue or no? I don't think so. So it just comes with the 2 lashes and the tweezers. That's awesome. So this, let's see. Okay, so oh my gosh, $38 for just 2 pairs of lashes? Oh my. That's insane. Okay, so I got True plus Lucius. It's a Flower Dose Plumping Lip and Eye Serum. What? Oh, this is interesting. Has anyone ever used this? Yeah, a lot of the products I'm not entirely sure if I'm gonna be using or if I'm gonna be trying. So this it values for $34. I don't know, I might just give this a try. I don't know. Who knows? I got some masks. They're sheet masks. They're freezing. Okay, so they're $18. I wonder if it's $18 together, but I got the Vita Masks Sustainable. This is Glow and Nourish. I'm definitely going to need the Glow and the Nourish, especially the Nourish one. I've been trying to take care of my skin as much as possible, and it's just, it's insane. I have been taking care of it. I have skincare, so no worries on that. I have morning and nighttime skincare, and it's getting better. It's just very slow, so I don't know. So this one is #GiveThemLalaBeauty. Is this a face palette? This is... Dude. I'm so sorry, you guys. Alright, so this is, I guess it's a face... No, it's an eye palette. Ooh, look at that, you guys. That's pretty. You want that? Okay, so I got it's an eyeshadow palette, and it comes with a little nice mirror. That's cool. That's pretty. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this yet, but yeah. That's awesome. I like that. That's really pretty. So this values for $42. I mean, it's pretty. I don't know if they swatch nice or if they're nice and buttery, but that's really pretty. Oh, I got a Glam Glow product. This is the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. Oh, ooh, I wonder, is this gonna do well with my like acne? I don't know. Tell me in the comments, you guys. Is it good? Pore refining. Ooh, okay. Oil fighting, mattifying, clarifying. Okay. So it might do well with my problem area right now. It's insane. It's like dry. It's I don't have many pimples coming out now, but it's just really dry. Oh, okay, so here's another product. Oh, that Glam Glow product, I'm sorry, it's like $32. So worth it. Okay, so I got a Hip Dot palette. I know that I have this. I think it's the green palette, isn't it? Yeah, oh, it's like a green-blue palette. Now, I do have this palette. So I am going to put this on my giveaway as well. Like I said, you guys, if you guys are wanting to be entered in the giveaway, make sure that you guys do like, comment, subscribe. Anything will help to my channel as well. Like, it depends on how big the giveaway is. I could do maybe 1 or 2 winners. So, depending on how big the like all the the stuff is. So I will be doing a giveaway at the end of the month every Sunday, not this month, but every last Sunday of the month I will do a huge giveaway. I'll do a quick video of what all the products in the giveaways, and I'll announce a winner or winners. So it just depends on how much products I get. So I will see you all soon, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye guys.